This is another tool about the SKU generator, and in this tool you will be button, it will create SKU. Let me show you by some example. If you're just starting it out, you simply hit this fill example button and it will populate these input fields with these values so that you can tinker with it. And now we will hit the generate one SKU button. As you hit this one SKU will be generated, and let's say I want to add another SKU. Simply add the product name called t-shirt, and with the some color and some size, another SKU will be generated. See, this is the SKU. You can simply copy these SKU directly, or export CSV, or copy all of them together. When you copy all, it will simply copy these two values separated by new line, and you can see here it is the company prefix already appended. You can change it by putting something else, like Shopify, and you can also convert it into lowercase. The default is uppercase or keep it normal. That's whatever you type that will be there. And these values after that will be lowercase. Let me put it uppercase, which I think it's industry standard. You can also convert this 3 letters or something more like 4 letters. Let me keep it 3 letters. And here you can see each of these is separated by dash. You can change it separated by slash or dot, but I will keep it as dash, which is the default one. And there are some other formatting settings, like convert the source as by removing the vowels and add sequencing number. And there's also bulk paste option. Here you can simply add the product names separated by new lines and create a color and size label. It will generate 4 SKUs by appending these attributes with each of these product names. Let me generate 4 SKU so that you know what is going on. 4 SKU has been added. You see running shoes. This SKU has been created. Our yoga mat navy M has been appended, and this SKU has been created. Or you can use the third method that is called variations. Here you can simply add the base name and size separated by its values with commas or color, and it will generate 9 SKUs, that is 3 into 3. Let me hit this and you will see these SKUs have been created. You can also add other options and put those values here, or you can simply restart it by hitting this reset button. In that case, you have to create these options by yourself. I added this example button so that you can start with some default examples. Once you are done, simply export the CSV and import it in your e-commerce app like Amazon or Shopify, and that's all. By the way, I am building this pin flow app which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.